Hello guys. I am so excited to hang out with you because it feels like it's been a minute. I have been so busy. Life has gotten really crazy. My son is graduating soon. There's so much to do for that. I got a new puppy, which if you follow me on Instagram, you have seen her. She's actually asleep right now. So it's giving me a chance to sit down and film this video. A lot going on that I'm very thankful for, but I also miss you guys here on YouTube too. So today I want to sit down and share with you my current favorite beauty products. Favorites and a big fail. And it's a fail that I feel like is a cult favorite that everybody loves, but I don't. So we're gonna talk about that too. Let's get into all of it. I'm gonna start out with this one right here because I really love this. This is the new Omni Biocueticals, their Nourishing Omniplex Amino Acid Spray. This is a facial mist, and you guys know I have a facial mist obsession. That's why I created my Truology mist. I start my morning and night skincare routines every single day with a mist. Actually, sometimes multiple mists. I will layer them. I love mist, right? Well-formulated, good ingredient mist. And this is one of them. This is an amino acid-based mist, like I said, and amino acids are so beneficial, so amazing for our skin. They create collagen and stimulate collagen and elastin. They can hydrate, they can repair damage, they can calm inflammation, they can act as antioxidants, you name it. They do so much and just so much goodness for our skin. So this is loaded with amino acids and it has the most beneficial ones in it that are going to do some of everything. Collagen stimulation, hydrating, repair, boosting elasticity in your skin, all of that, right? Everything that amino acids are good for, there are some of them in here. So it does everything. And this also has some essential vitamins in it too. So all around, it's just this amazing skin health booster mist. So it comes out in a light mist. You just mist it on your skin before you do your, skincare routine. But you can put it in your hand and pat it on your skin. I use my mist in multiple different ways, but this is also really great for your hair. You can take this mist and you can use it on your hair, and it's going to do the same thing for your hair too. It's going to help with your hair health and just repairing damage and hydrating and all the things. So you can use it on your hair throughout the day to refresh. And I just love it. Like I said, I'm a big mist person. I always have one in my routine, at least one. And this one has been a really great addition to my routine. Okay, let's talk barrier repair, because the product that I'm gonna share with you at the end of this video that did not work for me whatsoever, completely irritated my skin, and I could feel my skin barrier was not healthy after one use of this product. So I really had to backtrack before it got worse, and I had to really gear my skincare routine to fixing and just healing my skin barrier. I know when I did something to my skin that I shouldn't have, and that product just was no. Absolutely no. So there's two products that I'm gonna share with you that I do know really helped my skin barrier. One of them is this essence right here. This is from it's the Mugwort Essence. Now I am really big, again, into essences, toners. I use my mists, and then I will use at least one essence or toner. I'm really into skin flooding and just kind of loading my skin up with different essences and toners. Now, because I was really gearing my routine to helping repair my skin barrier, this one was amazing. So the ingredient mugwort is actually really healing to your skin. It knocks out irritation and just helps to really counteract any damage to your skin barrier. So I was using this and applying this morning and night as my toner, and it really did help to just kind of keep my skin barrier healthy and repair any of that irritation that I was feeling. Now, the second thing that I was doing to repair my barrier is my Truology Barrier Restore Ultra, because this, you guys, is just the most game-changing moisturizer. And this is not even, I don't even like calling it a moisturizer, because it does so much more than just laying on the top of your skin, giving you moisture. This is anti-aging to the max. It is firming, it is hydrating, it's gonna fight free radicals, it's gonna repair damage. It does everything, you guys. I could not love a moisturizer more. And this I actually created after my Truology Barrier Restore, which is a lighter version of this. This is loaded to the max with ceramides, ectoin, cholesterol, lipids, firming peptides, antioxidants, and it has a targeted 4D hydration complex that really targets hydration in every layer of your skin. You're gonna notice that it instantly hydrates, but it also creates this amazing balance and long-term hydration balance within your skin. I honestly could not love a product more. It is good for all skin types, including oily skin, which I, am mostly. This winter was a little bit of a different story because it was so cold here in Florida, but I'm normally oily skin, and I've been testing this out for a long time, obviously, while I was creating this. So I know it is good for all skin types because it's very silky and not heavy on your skin at the same time. I'll share what it looks like on my hand here. You can see it comes out in the most beautiful formulation that completely transforms your skin. I love this obviously on a daily basis, but I could really see like the true repair aspect of it. When my skin barrier was irritated and was slightly damaged, that healed it so fast. Let's talk about this new product by Revision. And I feel like Revision hasn't come out with a new product in a while, but this one is so good. This is the new Revision Radiance Plus Resurfacing Serum. And it's a 15% blend of AHAs, BHAs, and PHAs. So it's going to gently exfoliate your skin and just help to resurface your skin. You're supposed to use this at night, which I am. I'm actually using this in conjunction with my Truology A squared retinaldehyde and have had phenomenal results. Zero irritation, zero anything other than like I wake up with the most amazing glowing skin. But it's such a great combination, and I love that they didn't go overboard with how high their potencies are because it keeps it gentle, but it's a mix of glycolic, lactic, malic, mandelic acid, salicylic acid, and then it has your PHAs too, which are very, very gentle exfoliators. So it's just all around a gentle way to resurface your skin, which is going to help really create radiant skin, help with fine lines and wrinkles, just overturn the dead skin that's sitting on the surface of your face and just give you that like radiant skin back. So love this. And again, I use this at night in conjunction with my Truology A squared, and it's just like such a great duo. Okay, sticking with skincare, but for my son, we switched up his products a little bit. I love testing out different products on him and different combinations of products on him. He's 16, he's almost 17, but he definitely has like acne prone skin right now, right? He gets breakouts, and if we don't keep them under control, his skin will really break out. So I'm kind of like, I love testing him as like my little test buddy, because I really get to see what really works on acne and teen acne and all the things. So we've been doing this combination right here lately, and it has been really great for him. He starts out with the Jan Marini, the benzoyl peroxide acne treatment cleanser. This is a 2.5% benzoyl peroxide, which I think is actually a great amount because I think there's a 5% one too, but this does a job without like overly drying your skin. So it's been doing a really great job at just killing the bacteria in the skin, in the pores. That's what benzoyl peroxide is best for. It kills the actual bacteria that causes the acne. And then what he uses next is the Lumiere MD, the Acne Balancing Serum, which is a 2% salicylic acid. So benzoyl peroxide gets in deep, kills the bacteria, and then salicylic acid helps to kind of exfoliate the skin. It's gonna help clear the pore of excess oil. So benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid work really great hand in hand together when you are fighting acne. Now, the thing that I love about especially the Lumiere MD line is it's very clean. The ingredients are great. I try not to let my son use anything that's like too harsh. He's got like still baby skin, I don't want him using like harsh ingredients and just like too much. So I try to keep things very easy and gentle and clean ingredients. Now, this also has hydrating ingredients too. He has not seen any dryness from using this combination. That is that. And now let's change gears and go to this makeup combination right here, because oh my gosh, this combination for your under eyes is so good. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen me talk about this already. I made a reel about this, and I just cannot stop using this trio of products. So I have just noticed on myself more dark circles lately, just a little bit more darkness because one, I have perimenopause, and that sucks because you wake up, you can't fall back to sleep, and it just disrupts your whole sleep. But number two, I have a puppy who wakes me up very early in the morning, sometimes in the middle of the night yet, like you never know. So I'm just not getting a great night's sleep right now. So I've definitely noticed like darker circles. Okay, so then after you brighten your under eyes with the pink concealer, I'm taking the Jane Iredale. I love this concealer so much. It's the Pure Match Concealer. All clean ingredients. All of these 3 products for your under eyes are clean ingredients, which I am a huge fan of because I do not like to put anything under my eye with like harsh chemicals or alcohol or fragrance or anything that's going to actually age your under eye even faster. I'm very big on what I use under my eyes, and these 3 they're good. So Jane Iredale, absolutely love this concealer. It's a liquid concealer. I take this next because I put this on over top of that brightening concealer, which just helps keep the brightness and that tone, under my eyes super bright, but it also kind of like dulls it down a little bit while still helping to further conceal any of the darkness. Like the combination of these 2 together just give you the most flawless under eye. It's going to brighten, but it's going to conceal. It's going to literally give you skin like flawless under eyes, like all day long. Okay. So those 2 are my obsession. But then you want to seal it in. You want to use a powder that's going to really lock in and keep everything in place all day. And I found this that I wasn't sure I even wanted to try because it's like, it looks super pink, but it's the Kosas Cloud Set translucent powder in candy. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try this because I'm on this whole pink kick and the pink brightens. Like, well, let's just give this a try. So I bought this and oh my gosh, I am addicted. The 2 concealers and then this powder on top. I use a dry beauty blender. I just press this into my skin and it's not like overly pink. It just helps to further just lightly brighten. It is not drying or it doesn't cake up for me throughout the day. It doesn't settle into lines and wrinkles. Like I love this powder, but that pink tone just helps to really create, again, just like that like brightness under your eye. So these 3 right here, I've used them every single day. Anytime I'm doing my makeup, I will apply these 3 and I'm like, wowed. Okay, are you ready to talk about the product that I do not like? It's a cult favorite. People love it. I do not. And after 1 use, it completely irritated my skin barrier. I broke out. I was like, I felt tight. My skin barrier did not look bouncy and glowy and just like normal like it normally does. And the thing is that most people don't even realize if you're breaking out, it could easily be because your skin barrier is not healthy. Anytime my skin barrier has gotten irritated or slightly damaged, I will break out. Because when your skin barrier is irritated, it is not blocking, outside, aggressors and dirt and just grime and whatever. Like your skin just can't function properly when your skin barrier is broken down. So a lot of times you will notice breakouts if your skin barrier is not healthy. So that is one thing I definitely noticed myself. I had some breakouts and just like, I was like, well, like I know what's going on with my skin. And that's one time after the use of this product right here. And it's the Lotion P50 Exfoliator by BR is what I'm going to call it because I don't even know how to pronounce this name. But it's like a cult favorite exfoliating product and I don't know why because there's so many better exfoliating products that are not going to cause damage to your skin barrier. And the funny thing is I used this a long time ago and I remember it caused barrier damage to me, but I am being me. I'm like, I want to see like if this still causes damage or is my skin, because my skin is so healthy. Like I have such an amazing skin barrier because you guys know I focus on that so much and I have for years. Like my skin is very, very healthy. I was like, let me see if I can like introduce this just to see why people say it's so amazing and see if my skin can handle it now, right? Because I see this all over all the time and I'm like, I need to try this. But I did. And after 1 use, I'm like, nope. My skin was like, don't put that on me ever again, which I'm not going to. I don't know. I can't use it whatsoever. My skin was so angry after that one time. And now I know that there's other versions of this too. But I've tried them in the past too. And there's just whatever is in that. I don't know how people can use that and keep a healthy skin barrier. Let me know in the comments if you use that or like you like it, if it works for you, because I'm so curious. My skin hates it. Luckily, I knew after the first time, I'm like, nope, I can tell exactly right away. My skin did not like that. And I reversed that damage really, really quick. Now, like I said, there's, multiple other exfoliating type of products that I use personally that don't disrupt my skin barrier at all. For some reason, one time with that, nope. But that is it for this video, you guys. Those are my current favorites. Current fail. I hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will link these products down below in the description box. So open it up down there for direct links. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments. Just say hi in the comments. I miss you guys. Love hanging out with you and chatting all things beauty and skincare and fun girly stuff. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.